welcome to Integrated Learning Strategies. My name is Elaine and our guest is Tara. She's an occupational therapist from Yums TheraPlay, and we are working on activities for body awareness and weight activities. And she's going to be showing us some side sliding and the gallop and the trot.
Okay, so we're going to break this down a little bit before we actually get to the gallop. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to do a step and slide your foot behind you. Okay, step and slide, okay? So go ahead and do those on each side until your child has it. Once they've got that, you're going to do a step, slide, step, and you're going to lift that knee. So step, slide, step, okay? Step, slide, step with the knee.
So that's like a 3-step on that one,
yeah,
not just 2.
That third step is going to be coming up with your knee.
Okay.
Okay? And then we're going to make that a little bit faster. Okay? Okay?
So it starts looking like a gallop then.
So it's a little more of a gallop.
Okay. Do you have them bring their hands up or anything so they feel kind of like that?
They can bring their hands up.
Okay.
They can hold them on their hips.
Here or even out if they need to. Okay.
Okay. Before we get to a full gallop, you might just want to check and make sure your child's got balance on one leg. So just like this. Okay.
Okay.
You can have them bring their hands any of those positions.
Okay.
Okay. And then we're going to do a gallop. Okay.
So that actually takes a lot of body coordination, using both sides of the body, a little bit of a leap in that side sliding as well. Have fun. Thank you.